El misterioso caso de la química. Sherlock Holmes se siente un intrépido detective privado, aunque algunas de sus calificaciones son verdaderamente espeluznantes. Como si esto no fuera suficiente, cuando Sherlock estaba a punto de encontrar una importante pista en su salón de clases, la maestra de ciencias, sin ninguna razón aparente, se enojó. A pesar de que Sherlock trató de explicarle con todo detalle la serie de extraños sucesos que le han ocurrido últimamente, la maestra insistió con obstinación en recordarle las malas calificaciones obtenidas en la clase de ciencias y hasta amenazó con bajarlas aún más. Cuando Sherlock sugirió la posibilidad de abonar a su cuenta algunos puntos como recompensa a su dedicación a la investigación privada, su astuta maestra, ignorando que las ciencias son demasiado simples para un investigador de la categoría de Sherlock, le pidió que le explicara los misterios de la química. El cuidadoso interrogatorio que Sherlock sostuvo con su sabio maestro, si bien no le permitió ninguna pista concreta, le dio una gran cantidad de material para revisión. Desde tiempos inmemoriales, los seres humanos han utilizado las reacciones químicas sin siquiera sospechar las transformaciones que se llevan a cabo. Al encender una hoguera, sin saberlo, nuestros antepasados estaban realizando una reacción de oxidación importantísima y necesaria para el desarrollo de las culturas.
Sherlock is very impressed with Dmitri, who, by the way, would be really old if he were alive, because he thought of a way to manage the conduct of more than 100 elements. The only problem was that he tried to do so according to the element's atomic mass instead of their atomic numbers. But the atomic number wasn't established until 1913. Today, the periodic table is organized in 18 columns called groups or families, each labeled with a number. They used to be labeled with a Roman numeral and a letter, and because of hydrogen's suspicious behavior. But other metals exist too, like calcium, sodium, and potassium. They have characteristics common to all metals, like how well they conduct heat and electricity, and how they melt at high temperatures. However, the elements called nonmetals, like oxygen, do not conduct electricity and heat, and they melt at low metal. However, hydrogen is a gas and a nonmetal. A big difference compared to its companions, the most active metals known. In all of the universe, hydrogen is the number one element. It is the primary ingredient of the sun, the stars, nebulas, and interstellar space. The portion of hydrogen in the cosmos is greater than all the rest of the chemical elements. But on Earth, it makes up less than 1%. Veracity. In 1886, Henri Moissan informed the Science Academy of Paris that he finally succeeded in separating fluorine. A black patch covered his eye at the conference. In the 20th century, scientists found ways to soothe the anger of fluorine, putting it to the service of humanity. The result from combining fluorine with other elements is a compound that is practically indestructible, or dissolve in alkalides or acids. Even the ferocious fluorine does not affect it either. It is indifferent to abrupt temperature changes, and it doesn't notice the intense cold of the Arctic. This is also the situation for the refrigerant called Freon, where fluorine is the principal ingredient.
Listen up! We're here to tell you how you can support our schools at the grocery store.
Yep, all you have to do is buy Prices or Country Charm products, and our schools get cool stuff. Need help? Here we go! Prices milk?
Ka-ching!
Prices cottage cheese?
Ka-ching!
Country Charm ice cream?
Ka-ching!
Country Charm orange juice?
Ka-ching!
Anytime you see this label,
Ka-ching!
Support for anything we need. Computers, band uniforms, playgrounds, athletic gear, you name it.
and we can even get money when we bring in Give 'em 5 caps from Price's milk and Country Charm orange juice and fruit drinks.
That's 5 cents for every cap we turn into our school.
And there's no limit to how many we can turn in.
Let's review. Price wants to give us a helping hand, so let's make him pay. Come join the fun and make your school cool. See ya!
¡Ey! ¿Ya saben? El Parque Central Hermanos Escobar de Juárez es ideal para actividades al aire libre, descanso y diversión para toda la familia, porque puedes pasear en los juegos, navegar en las